This video, I am going to guide about dropping off a Turo rental car. Following the right process ensures a smooth trip completion. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Complete the final trip details in the Turo app or website. 2. Make sure the car is in the condition it was provided to you, including filling up the gas tank if required. 3. Follow any instructions given by the host regarding the drop-off location. 4. Park the car in the designated area as per the host instructions or agreed location. 5. Take photos of the car, including any damage, and documents the car's condition at the time of return. 6. Make sure to remove all your personal belongings from the vehicle. 7. Lock the car and leave the keys in the designated drop-off area such as a lockbox or as directed by the host. 8. Confirm the drop-off in the app and mark the trip as complete. Make sure to communicate with your host during the return process for a smooth drop-off. Keep your receipts and documentation for reference.